How to merge Fixture profiles in the Wholehog operating system. The merging process in Wholehog can be used to merge programming information like palettes and cue lists between two show files, but merging can also be used to import Fixture profiles into your show, which is what this video will talk about. There are two possible sources for profile information. One would be an updated library revision, because maybe there's a fixture that was added to library version 4 after you started programming. This might be the case if you updated your console software recently. The second possible source would be a single fixture profile. If you requested a profile from our forums and received a library attachment, this is most likely what you will be merging. We'll merge profiles from both types of sources. Let's start with merging from an updated library revision. To access the merging wizard, I'll click the Setup key and select Shows from my main toolbar. Within this window, I'll click Merge Show. Remember, we recommend that before you do any type of merging, you make a backup copy of your show file. I'm going to click Begin, and the console will ask me for my merging source, which will be the updated revision to library version 4. If you're merging on a console, like the Hog3 or Wholehog, you can find the library folder easily on your console. When working with Hog3 PC on your personal computer, the libraries are located in a subfolder, so let me show you how to find those. I'll start with the drop-down menu and select Documents and Settings. Then from within the window, I'll click All Users, Application Data, Flying Pig Systems, Hog3 PC, and Fixture Library. From here, I can see all of my library revision files. I'm going to select Library version 4 as my source, and then I can click Next. The console will expand the complete library and give me a list of every profile that I could possibly update. Like the Fixture Schedule window, these are listed alphabetically by manufacturer. I'm going to scroll down to select High End. These Catalyst profiles say Not in Show because I currently have no Catalyst layers patched in. The DL2 profiles say Newer because my show file does have DL2s patched in, but this profile is newer than the one I'm currently using. I'm going to select these, so I'll be using the updated profile in my show. I also want to add in the showpix profiles, which weren't available when I started this show file. I'm selecting these just by clicking them, but you can also use the selection tools below. Use Select All to automatically check all of the updated profiles. Select All Newer would select any profile listed as newer. Select All Missing would select those that are currently not in show. You can also quickly deselect all. Now I'll click Merge. When the process is done, this window tells me that the DL2 profiles have been updated and the show pics have now been added. I'll click OK, and now I can use these profiles. Now let's see how the process works when your source is a single fixture profile. We'll use the same merging wizard and locate our individual profile to be our source. I'm going to use this AlphaSpot profile that I've placed in my Shows folder. The fixture list is shorter because this is a single profile and not a library of profiles. I'll go ahead and import both the basic and extended file, because I like choices. The merge is finished and I have two new profiles that I can now access from the fixture schedule when patching. If you need a fixture profile that's not available in our current library, you can request one from our online forums.